Hello, everybody. This is Michael. In this video, we will talking about control construction 2. Okay. Last video we talked about the if case structure, and this will be talking about the while, until, and for. Okay. Let's open the Ubuntu terminal first. Okay. And we go to text folder, take a look. And we take a look at this, the old one. Okay. So this one will be, when you want for one time, you choose one sensor ID, okay? So we will be like this. We can open another terminal like this, okay? And open. Then here will be another terminal. So you will keep the old one still in the edit mode. Okay, we call it another one. So when we run the control sensors, you will see, please enter the sensor ID. When I press 1, and it will tell us the temperature sensor, and then the program will finish, will quit out. How about if we want to keep the program continuous run? So what we need to do, we will use the while, okay, the while structure. Okay, let's change this. Let's change this software a little bit, the shell script a little bit. Okay, so first we added the while. Okay, while what? While true. While true means it keep always running. Do and done. Okay, that's it. We move this a little bit over there. Okay. You choose all of this, and then press tab. It will go to the right, and the shift tab. It will go back. Okay. Tab tab. Okay. So this program means it always run the. When it is true, it will be always run the loop here. But if we want quit out, how we do? So we will be added something here. Break means if we press the start, input the start, it will break the loop out. If we don't press the start, just end 1, 2, 3, it will continuously keep in the loop, keep in the while loop. Okay, we save it, and then we run and test it. We close this first, then run the control sensors. Okay, run, play, and let's choose 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, it will keep in the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 continuously. If we input another number which is not 1, 2, 3, let's say 4, then it will quit out. So means no sensor match. Okay, so we take a look at this. Actually we can control it. We open one screen for edit, and then we open another one for run the program. Okay, so this is while true, and the true can change a little bit like this. it will be the same result. And we also added one cutoff line, so we will see the process more clearly. Okay, so we added one cutoff line like this. So identify each loop. Okay, we just save it. Okay, we save it. We can run here. That's very interesting. So you keep it added in this folder, and we can run here. Okay, let's run here. This is control sensors. Okay, please enter the sensor ID. Let's hit a little bit over there. Okay, so if 1, temperature sensor, okay, 2, vibration sensor, and 3, light sensor. So 1, 2, 3, temperature, vibration, light. This means we enter any others is not 1, 2, 3. This star means we enter any others. If we enter any others, it will break the through and finish the program. Okay, we enter 5. Okay, now sensor match, and then quit out the software, the shell script. By this way, you can create a loop which continuously wait the user input the value, and we identify the input values to output different result, and also we can control different sensors. Assume the echo is a control function, control temperature sensor, and control vibration sensor, and control the light sensor. So different input will be controlled different sensor, and and also have the one input will break out the loop end of the software. So it will be better than the if case. Just run one time for that situation. Okay, and okay, let's say if we don't want to let the user input unlimited times, we won't just let the user just input for 5 times. How we do it? Okay, we at first we use one variable. Let's say int equal to 1. Okay, or any other variable, and we adjust the variable. We get the variable here, and we save it. We get the variable int. If the variable is less and equal to 5, okay. So previously we introduced the for the digital number compare, the LE will be less and equal. L means less, E means equal. Okay, so if this variable less and equal 5, then we will do this, and in the side of loop, we will let the variable increase. Let's say it's like this. We must notice the one thing, and here, I mean, before of the equal and after that equal, there is no space. Cannot be like this. Cannot be like this. It has to be like this. It has to like this. Okay. So similar cannot like this. This is a rule about the shell script. Okay, so for this shell script, we give a value here, and in the loop we increase the value by 1. and if the value less or equal to 5, we will run the whole program. But if is greater than 5, we will stop. So this while this condition is true, it will do this. If this condition is false, it will not run the it will quit out the software. Okay, let's save it and let's try it. Okay, we can use a command clean to clean the screen first. Okay, so and we run the software. Is control sensors. Okay, control sensors, right. Okay, live file equal command cannot find. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and there is an error here. The rules very strict and and we need to make space here also. So we save it, and then okay, we run it again. And now it's working. So here must have some space. Okay, and have one space. Okay, and okay, let's try the software. 1, 2, another 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no sensor. 4 is no sensor match, so it's enter here. Is enter here, but we need to see here is less than 5, so we run it again and not enter 4 anymore. So let's run it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can see here it's only run for 5 times for the program. For the program is only run for 5 times. Okay, here. So 1, 2. Okay, let's see it more clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only run for 5 times, so this is 5 times, and will increase here less and equal to 5. It will run the whole program. So this is while for condition control. And next things we take a look here. So this let, okay, this is definition for the equations. So this will be let it like C language, like plus, and this software, this equation also can be right like this. Okay, similar like C, and then we save it, and run it again. So see, it's also running. So it's also 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we also can change like the C language like this. Okay, it also will increase by 1. But remember, we have to edit the let. This is very special for the shell script. We save it, and we write again. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the software run for 5 times. Okay, and let's take a look. So this is while loop. In this for loop, we introduce a forever while loop and condition while loop. Okay, and then we take a look at the until. Okay, until is like this. So we change the while to until. Okay, so the until will be do this first, then we'll see the condition is true or false. If it is true, and then you will quit out the program. And if it's false, then it will continue to run this. So by this way, we need to change a little bit here. Okay, so this is less than 5, less than or equal 5. Less than or equal 5, if it is 1, it will be true and it will be quit out. And then we take a look at the grade. We will take a look at the grade. So grade. Okay. So this is grade. If it is grade, so it will be false. Be false will be run the software. Okay, run the software. We save it, and we run this again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 5 times. Let's change back. So let's change back to see what will happen. So this is LE means less than 5. We save it and run. You will see it will quickly very fast. So means this is true. It's true. So means it's not run here. And yeah. So when it is false, then it will be run here. Okay, and so next thing, the last thing is for. Okay, for loop. Okay, so for this will be adjust the condition first, and for the for loop we change a little bit here. For the for loop, one, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we no need the letter anymore. But we equal the int digital numbers. Okay, this is int. The for loop is very special in the shell script. It's different from the C language. Okay, so it means that this value, okay, we need to remove this first. Sorry. It means this value in the list, there is 5 list, there is 5 number here. It will run 5 times of this, and this value will be sequentially to get the value here, 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 and this int will equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then run 5 times. When it is 1, and run 1 time. When it is 2, and this 2, run 1 time. And when it is 3, this is 3, and run 1 time. Okay, we save it. We save it and run it. Okay, we save it and run it. Take a look. Okay, this is 1 time. So we end the sensor ID. Okay, we 1. This is 2 time, and this is 3 time, and this is 4 time, and this is last time. So you will see, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Okay, so this is actually you can change all the value here, list any value you want, and then we will change like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, but it will still run 5 times. The only difference, the value of the of this thing will be always 1. Okay, the variable will be always 1. The value of the variable will be always 1. Okay, let's save it. We'll save it and then write again to see the result. So this is 1. Okay, we enter the sensor ID as 1. Enter the sensor ID 1, 1, 1, 1. You will see we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we get 5 of an integer number, all is 1. So 5 of integer number, all is 1, and run 5 times of this. Okay, so that's it. This is while, until, and for the shell script control constructors. Okay, and that's it for this video, and I'm Michael, and I hope you will like it and support us, subscribe us. Thank you.